All right, gracias. Little Havana, you know where it's at. Well, you must be able to. Well, I see over there. You can get Cuban coffee is good. Their cigars are good. I've never had their women, so but I think that's good too. But I haven't had that yet. But you must be able to get some good Cuban cigars. Some Cohiba, Monte Cristo. Shit. Oh yeah, today's Tuesday. I'm gonna Taco Tuesday. All right. I got them I deal with. All right, so I took advantage of the Taco Tuesday. You buy two, you get one free. I ordered two pollo, one El Pastor. Wait, just has a crazy ass one. Let me get this Pacifico. All right, gracias. You have salsa? ¿Tienes salsa? Yeah, those tacos are good, man. So, yo, they're really good. 2 for 1. No, I mean, you buy two, you get one. It was good. Cuban barbershop. All right. Now come here and get a lineup. American, no, Cuban. Cuban and American rooster. That camel toe was fat, son. It was so fat I thought she was actually a male. Cigar factory. Looks like they probably make them in there and shit. See, it's only in America that Amazon has dedicated vans. Back home, they use contractors and little companies to do these things, right? So you won't see Amazon trucks in Canada. Just white vans, subcontracted out, contracted out. La Esquina de la Fama. The corner of fame? Famous corner or something? I know what esquina means. Corner, I know that. That Pitbull? Alright, so I'm at Churro Mania. I just ordered some churros and look, they make them fresh. That's good, they make them fresh. I like that. That's it, but I heard Little Havana around here, it pops at night. You see in the daytime, you see live music and stuff, all that, but it really pops at night. A lot of places have happy hour, half drinks off and stuff like that. I don't know what nighttime is like. You know, it's crazy. I'm in Little Havana, and I've seen the most Asian tourists in all Miami, like Asian women. And this is a Cuban area, like Hispanic. I don't know. I see roosters everywhere. I wonder if rooster is like a symbol of Cuban. All right, Charles, look just about ready. Gracias. Oh, these are the fanciest churros I've ever seen in my life. It's like a candy cane shake. Oh, fuck, these are fucking good, man. And more so, they're hot. They're hot. Outside is hot.